Hi, welcome back to the channel, Fitness Girl Fun. This is going to be another gardening video. As with this channel, it's everything having to do with wellness and just having an overall better, healthy lifestyle. And I believe that gardening fits in with that. I'm starting off with this bin. I'm replanting my watermelon today. I started off by adding just sticks at the bottom of said bin and leaves. This will help to bring more oxygen and nutrients to your plants. This is the same method that I use to plant my beets, and my beets are coming along beautifully. I can tell that I'm gonna get a really great harvest. Okay, so I recommend this method. Next, I topped off the same bin with some of my compost. I have compost here in this green bin. That also helps to bring nutrients and vitamins to the plant. And I'm just adding my soil and mixing the soil in with the compost to make sure everything is even. And I fill the bin all the way until I have about 2 to 3 inches left at the top. That's what you see me doing right here. And I'm just continuing to fill that bin until I have enough soil to my liking. Here are my watermelon plants. As you can see, they've already sprouted. I'm just replanting them. Okay, I dig a nice little hole to fit that plant into here, and I just spread the soil around it. And I recommend you, when starting your seeds off, you plant that seed into something where you can easily pull the plant out from. So right here, I use like just a regular plastic cup because it'll be easier to transport that plant like I just did so. And just fill the soil around evenly. And after, I just watered the plants. Not to where they're soaked, but just to where it's just damp, but not soaked. You don't want to overwater the plants. I've made that mistake in the past with overwatering, just enough to where it's damp. The soil is damp and it's visibly damp, but not, don't ever soak the plants because you will overwater them. And that's it. It's really that simple. I will come back and show you the results. Make sure to subscribe, like this video. Peace.